litter box was always clean. We were worried about the cat, but when we took a closer look, we saw the dog was getting fat. The vet said, do not worry so, even though it does sound foul, it really is quite normal for dogs to eat things excreted from the bowel. Here's where you guys can come in eventually. He's a coprophagic canine. He's a coprophagic canine with a crappy appetite. I swear it smells like feces, he'll try to take a bite. That dog is sweet and fluffy. He's got a great demeanor too. But don't ever ever let him lick your face. Why? He likes to eat his food. Vets that give him green beans, feed him green beans by the slew. It'll surely make him run from crap, 'cause it'll make it smell like poo. So tons and tons of green beans, Sparky scrubbed down like a hog. And in another day or two, he was in the neighbor's yard hunting for their doggy's log. It's a coprophagic canine with a crappy appetite. I swear it smells like feces, he'll try to take a bite. Our dog is sweet and fluffy. He's got a great demeanor too. But what? Don't ever ever let him lick your face. Why? He likes to eat his food. Every day, just like Easter now, our family has concurred. Every time we all cheer and clap our doggy on. Every time he finds another turd. Thanks to Sparky, we now recycle. Our family all is green. Our dog eats organic now, as a matter of routine. He's a coprophagic canine, everybody. He's a coprophagic canine with a crappy appetite. I swear it smells like feces, he'll try to take a bite. Our dog is sweet and fluffy. He's got a great demeanor too. But why? Don't ever ever let him lick your face. Why? He likes to eat his food. The Forge, people!